We have our side panel off on our 2016 M8. What we need to do to remove the belt is thread in our belt removal tool found in our toolkit. Thread it into the open threads on the secondary clutch. Threading the tool in will open up the secondary sheaves. Once you have that threaded in enough, the belt will become loose. Be able to slip the belt over the secondary and past the primary. Installing the new belt, there is a direction of rotation on the printed onto the belt. The direction of rotation always goes forward in the direction of engine rotation. To reinstall, slip the belt over the primary clutch, drop down into the secondary. Remove your tool. Always a good idea. You don't want to start off with the belt super loose like that. You don't want to start to sled up because you do chance burn the belt. What you need to do is hop the belt to the top of the sheaves in the secondary. Now we will check belt deflection. To do that, ideally what you want to do is put a straight edge along the two axes of the clutch. You're looking for 1.125 to 1.25 of free play in the belt. To adjust for that, we'll use this jam nut here. Loosen your jam nut off using an Allen wrench. I'm going to be loosening the Allen wrench to close up the secondary sheaves to make the belt tighter, or I can screw the Allen bolt clockwise to actually spread open the sheaves on the secondary, loosening my belt deflection. Once you have the belt deflection set to where you need it, tighten up your jam nut. And that is how you adjust belt deflection and belt removal.